Fala galera do YouTube que assiste meus vídeos, tudo bem com vocês? Aqui hoje eu trazer mais um vídeo pro canal. E hoje estou aqui trazendo invadindo o avião da máfia no palitex. Se vocês já gostam desse conteúdo que eu trago do palitex, deixe seu like, se inscreva no canal, ative o sininho das notificações. Então é isso.
You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in? Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, hold him off. Come on, then. Hurry up now, activate the doors. Hurry up now, activate the doors. Listen, you defeated my right-hand man, and you defeated me. I surrender the airship to you. Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and he'll get your life back. They're alright. Pretty big fall. I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it? Henry!
Então, galera, esse foi o vídeo. Se vocês gostaram, deixe seu like, se inscreva no canal e ative o sininho das notificações e tchau!